Mobility scooters have evolved far beyond basic transportation. They've become personal mobility solutions built for comfort, independence, and everyday freedom. From compact, travel-friendly models that fold in seconds to powerful all-terrain machines designed for outdoor exploration, today's options are smarter, safer, and more capable than ever before. Number 10. The Pride Mobility Revo 2.0 is a full-size mobility scooter designed to deliver a strong balance of comfort, stability, and long-distance travel capability for users who require dependable everyday mobility support. Built with a solid and durable frame, it provides a stable riding experience that feels secure even during extended outdoor use. One of its standout features is its Comfort Track suspension system, which significantly improves ride quality by absorbing shocks and reducing vibration when traveling over uneven sidewalks, pavement cracks, or outdoor terrain. This makes it one of the smoother riding scooters in its category. The seating system is highly ergonomic, featuring a plush high-back seat, adjustable armrests, and swivel functionality that makes getting on and off the scooter easier for users with limited mobility. The control panel is designed for simplicity and clarity, allowing users to easily manage speed, battery levels, and lighting without confusion. Large pneumatic tires contribute to stability and traction, helping the scooter perform well across both urban environments and light outdoor terrain. Battery performance is optimized for longer travel distances, making it suitable for daily errands, shopping, medical visits, and recreational outings without frequent recharging. Safety features such as anti-tip wheels, strong braking systems. Number 9. The Buzzaround CarryOn is an ultra-portable mobility scooter designed for users who prioritize lightweight travel convenience, compact folding capability, and simple everyday mobility support. It is one of the most travel-oriented models in its category, focusing heavily on portability without sacrificing essential stability and comfort features. Its frame is engineered to be lightweight and foldable, allowing it to be easily stored in car trunks, closets, or travel compartments, making it ideal for frequent travelers or users with limited storage space. Despite its compact size, the scooter is built with a sturdy structure that ensures safe and stable riding on smooth indoor surfaces and light outdoor paths. The seating system is designed for basic comfort, featuring a padded seat and supportive backrest suitable for short to medium rides such as shopping trips, airport navigation, or neighborhood travel. The control system is intuitive and simple, allowing users to operate the scooter without requiring advanced technical knowledge. Its small wheels are optimized for smooth terrain, prioritizing maneuverability in tight spaces such as hallways, stores, and elevators. Safety features include stable braking response, anti-tip design, and basic lighting for visibility in low-light conditions. Battery performance is designed for short-distance travel, focusing on convenience rather than long-range outdoor use. One of its strongest advantages is its ease of transport. Number 8. The iGo by Pride Mobility is a lightweight and highly portable mobility scooter designed specifically for travel convenience, compact storage, and everyday indoor-outdoor usability. Its defining feature is its foldable frame system, which allows the scooter to be easily collapsed for transportation in car trunks, airplanes, or tight storage spaces. This makes it especially appealing for users who prioritize mobility independence while maintaining a highly travel-friendly design. Despite its compact structure, the scooter is engineered to provide stable and comfortable performance for daily use. The frame is lightweight yet durable, allowing users or caregivers to handle it without excessive effort. Number 7. The Baja Bandit is a rugged off-road mobility scooter designed for users who need strong outdoor capability combined with stable, confident handling across uneven terrain. Built with a reinforced heavy-duty frame, it focuses on durability and traction, making it suitable for gravel paths, grass, dirt tracks, and rough outdoor surfaces where standard mobility scooters struggle. Its design emphasizes stability first, with a low center of gravity and wide wheelbase that helps reduce tipping risk during turns or slope navigation. Large pneumatic tires play a major role in its performance, absorbing shocks and improving grip across challenging surfaces. Number 6. The Buzzaround Extreme is a robust travel mobility scooter designed to offer enhanced stability, improved comfort, and extended range performance compared to standard compact scooters. Built with a durable yet transport-friendly frame, it strikes a balance between portability and heavy-duty capability, making it suitable for users who need reliable mobility both at home and during travel. Number 5. The Afikim S4 HD is a heavy-duty mobility scooter engineered for maximum durability, stability, and long-distance comfort, making it ideal for users who require strong performance in both urban and outdoor environments. Built on a reinforced industrial-grade frame, the S4 HD is designed to support higher weight capacity while maintaining smooth handling and control. One of its standout features is its advanced suspension system, which significantly reduces impact from uneven surfaces and ensures a comfortable ride even on rough terrain. Large pneumatic tires further enhance stability and traction, allowing the scooter to handle sidewalks, gravel paths, and moderately uneven outdoor surfaces with confidence. The seating system is highly ergonomic, featuring a wide cushioned seat with adjustable armrests. Number 4. The Eagle All-Terrain Mobility Scooter is designed for users who need dependable performance across mixed environments, combining everyday usability with enhanced outdoor capability. Built with a reinforced chassis and a stability-focused frame, it delivers a strong sense of control whether used on city sidewalks, park paths, or lightly rough outdoor terrain. Its all-terrain positioning comes from a combination of large pneumatic tires and an upgraded suspension system that helps absorb shocks and reduce vibration during travel. This ensures a smoother and more comfortable ride compared to standard mobility scooters, especially when moving over uneven ground or small obstacles. The seating system is engineered for long-duration comfort, featuring a padded ergonomic seat, adjustable armrests, and supportive backrest design that helps reduce fatigue during extended use. The control system is typically designed to be intuitive, with a clear tiller layout and simple throttle response that makes it accessible even for first-time users. Safety is a core focus, with features such as anti-tip stability support, electromagnetic braking, and bright LED lighting for better visibility during low-light conditions. The scooter also includes a responsive turning radius, allowing it to navigate tighter urban spaces while still maintaining stability outdoors. Battery performance is optimized for medium to long-range travel, making it suitable for daily errands, recreational outings, and general mobility independence. Number 3. The Baja Wrangler 2 is a rugged all-terrain mobility scooter designed for users who require strong outdoor performance, durability, and stability on challenging surfaces. Built with a reinforced frame and heavy-duty suspension system, it is engineered to handle rough terrain such as gravel paths, uneven sidewalks, grass, and outdoor trails with greater confidence than standard mobility scooters. Its aggressive design reflects its off-road capability, with large pneumatic tires that provide excellent traction and shock absorption. The seating system is designed for long-distance comfort, featuring a supportive cushioned seat, adjustable armrests, and ergonomic positioning to reduce fatigue during extended rides. The scooter's powerful motor system delivers strong torque, allowing it to climb inclines and navigate uneven surfaces more effectively. Steering and control are designed to remain stable even at lower speeds, ensuring safety during outdoor use. The Baja Wrangler 2 typically includes advanced suspension technology that absorbs vibrations and impacts, significantly improving ride comfort on rough terrain. Safety features such as anti-tip wheels, strong braking systems, and bright LED lighting enhance visibility and control in different environments. The control panel is simple and intuitive, allowing users to adjust speed and monitor battery levels easily. Number 2. The Afikim Afiscooter Solar is an advanced mobility scooter designed with a strong focus on innovation, comfort, and eco-friendly performance. One of its most unique features is the integration of solar-assisted charging technology, which helps extend battery efficiency by harnessing sunlight during outdoor use. Built with a heavy-duty frame, the scooter is engineered for stability, making it suitable for users who require reliable transportation across various terrains. The seating system is highly ergonomic, featuring a wide cushioned seat with full back support, adjustable armrests, and a swivel function that enhances accessibility. Number 1. The Bespoke Prestige is a premium mobility scooter designed for users who prioritize comfort, long-range travel capability, and a more refined riding experience in everyday mobility solutions. Built with a focus on stability and smooth handling, it typically features a reinforced chassis and a well-padded ergonomic seat that supports longer rides without discomfort. The overall design emphasizes a balance between luxury feel and practical utility, making it suitable for both urban commuting and leisure travel. Its control system is generally intuitive, allowing users of different experience levels to operate it safely and confidently. Large pneumatic tires contribute to better shock absorption,